For conventional shaped handbrakes, there are two options of handbrake easy release, standard or inline. Most vehicles with a conventional style handbrake can have either option, but there are some restrictions due to space around the handbrake on certain models. To check availability, please contact us or your installer directly. The Jeff Gosling Handbrake Easy Release is designed for drivers with limited hand function. The adaptation reduces the amount of grip required and eliminates the need to depress the button with your thumb. It allows the user to engage the button without articulation of the thumb, and the increased mechanical advantage reduces the force required to depress the button. The Handbrake Easy Release can also benefit users who find it difficult to grasp and pull a conventional handbrake. Using a standard Handbrake Easy Release, to release the handbrake, simply pull backwards on the handle to depress the button and let the handbrake drop down. To engage the handbrake, place your palm under the handle and pull upwards. Using an inline Handbrake Easy Release, to release the handbrake, simply push down on the end of the handle to depress the button and let the handbrake drop down. To engage the handbrake, place your palm under the handle and pull upwards. Some vehicles have a foot-operated pedal to release the parking brake instead of a conventional handbrake lever. This adaptation enables drivers who are unable to use their foot to release the parking brake to do so by hand. The hand-operated parking brake lever is attached to the pedal and is simply pushed down by hand to engage or disengage the parking brake. Some models of vehicle have unique handbrake designs. In some instances, we can adapt these handbrakes with a Handbrake Easy Release we have specifically designed for the vehicle. Where possible, if you have difficulties operating the handbrake, we recommend that you consider choosing a vehicle that comes with an electric handbrake as standard. The Jeff Gosling Gearshift Easy Release is designed for drivers with limited hand function. The Gearshift Easy Release reduces the amount of grip required to move the gearshift and eliminates the need to depress the button with your fingers on an automatic vehicle. This style of Gearshift Easy Release is for vehicles with a front or side button gear selector, and it depresses the button by rotating the Gearshift Easy Release handle. The Gearshift Easy Releases are specifically designed for each individual vehicle model to ensure that it fits securely around the gearshift. On most automatic vehicles, you need to apply pressure to the brake pedal to unlock the gear selector. Once this has been done, you can continue to operate the Gearshift Easy Release by simply rotating the handle to engage the gearshift button, then move forwards or backwards to select the required gear position. Once you have completed your journey, keep the foot brake applied and simply rotate the Gearshift Easy Release and move it forward, putting the vehicle back into park gear. Jeff Goslings have also developed a Gearshift Easy Release for vehicles with a rotary style gearshift. Again, these are specifically designed for the individual vehicle model to ensure that it fits securely around the gearshift. With the rotary gear selector, you have to apply pressure to the foot brake before selecting the required gear. The vehicle allows for the gear selector to be rotated without the foot brake being depressed, but it will not change between gear options. Once you've completed your journey, keep the foot brake applied and simply rotate the Gearshift Easy Release back into park gear. Gearshift Easy Releases are only available for automatic vehicles and are designed specifically for each make and model. Some vehicles are not suitable for a Gearshift Easy Release, and therefore we suggest you contact us to check availability of this adaptation for your preferred vehicle before ordering. Information can be found on our website at www.jeffgosling.co.uk. Or if you'd like to discuss the Easy Release adaptations further, please contact us and we'll be happy to answer your questions.